Hello, you're welcome. So we have a question here that we want to have a look at. And it says that the vertices of a triangle are P, that is 1, -3, Q, 7, 5, and R, -3, 5. So our first work is to express vector PQ, QR, and PR as column vectors. And then it says show that the triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. And then the last one says that find the equation of the line PR. So it means that we have a triangle that is PQR. And the vertices of the triangles are 1, -3, 7, 5, and then -3, 5. So the first one says that express PQ, QR, and PR as column vectors. Assuming I have this point P, which is 1, -3, each column vector will give me OP, vector OP, which is giving me 1, -3. So that is the basic concept of a column vector. Now they say express PQ as column vector. So vector PQ is equal to OQ minus OP, which is equal to OQ is 7, 5. So I'll just write 7, 5 minus OP is what? 1, -3. So 7 minus 1 will give me what? 6. This is equal to 6. And then 5 minus 3 will give me 8. So it means that PQ as a column vector is 6, 8. So therefore, vector PQ is equal to 6, 8. That is the first one. The second one, it says find QR. So QR is equal to OR minus OQ, which is equal to OR is what? -3, 5. So I'll write -3, 5 minus OQ. OQ is 7, 5. So let me do the subtraction. -3 minus 7 will give me -10. Then 5 minus 5 will give me 0. So it means therefore QR is equal to -10, 0. Then the last one is PR. PR, vector PR is equal to OR minus OP. And what is OR? OR is -3, 5. So -3, 5 is equal to what is minus OP. OP is what? 1, -3. So let me do my subtraction now. -3 minus 1 will give me -4. So I have -4. 5 minus -3 will give me 8. So therefore, PR, that is vector PR, is giving me -4, 8. So I have -4, 8 as one, and I have 10, 0 as another one, and I have 6, 8 as another one. So I am done with the first one. And the second one says that show that triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. The question then is, what is an isosceles triangle? Basically, we know that an isosceles triangle is a triangle with two sides equal and then the base angles also equal. So it means two sides are equal and the two angles are the same. So if that should be the case, when you find the magnitude of the side, which is, so when you find the magnitude of, the first one is PQ, and then QR, and then PR, and you realize that two of them are having the same magnitude. Hence, we can conclude that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. And how then do you find magnitude? Magnitude, so I'll start from PQ. Magnitude of PQ is equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared. So the first component is for x and the second one is for y. So this is 6. So this is giving me the square root of 6 squared plus 8 squared. And this is equal to the square root of 6 squared give me 36 plus 8 squared give me 64, which is equal to the square root of 100, which is equal to 10 units. Then let me come to, so this is for, so therefore, let me conclude, therefore, magnitude of PQ is equal to 10 units. Let me come to QR. QR, the magnitude of QR is equal to the square root of s components, which is negative 10. Negative 10 squared plus 0 squared, which is equal to the square root of 100, which is equal to 10 units. So therefore, magnitude of QR is equal to 10 units. Now let's show the last one. Magnitude of PR is equal to the square root of negative 4 squared plus 8 squared, which is equal to the square root of negative 4 squared give you 16 plus 8 squared give you 64, which is equal to the root of 80 units. You realize that the root of 80 will not give me 10 units. Okay, so hence I am having PQ is equal to 10 units, comma, Q, the magnitude of QR also is equal to 10 units, and PR, which is equal to the root of 80 units. So what does it mean? Since I am having PQ and QR having the same magnitude, that is 10 units, the length is 10, hence, so conclusion, therefore, triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Why? Because PQ, the magnitude of PQ is equal to the magnitude of QR, which is equal to 10 units. I am done. Then the final part says I find the equation of the line PR. And what is PR? I know my PR. PR, vector PR gave us PR. So this is Roman number 3. PR is giving us PR. Vector PR is equal to where is that? PR is giving us here negative 4, 8. But it says to find the equation of the line. You know, equation of the line, we have to find the gradient, that is M. So it means I'll use P. So let me cancel this one, I'll use it later. So I need my P. P is 1, negative 3. comma, and r is negative 3, 5. All right. So I know my gradient, which is m, is equal to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1, which is equal to, so this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 is what? 5. Minus y1 is what? Minus 3. So it becomes minus 3. All over x2 is what? Minus 3 minus 1, which is equal to 5 minus will give you what? 8 out of negative 4. So which is giving me negative 2. So it means the gradient, which is m, is equal to negative 2. Most times, people use y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1 is correct. But I want to use y is equal to mx plus c. So I'll take any of the points. So let me take 1 and negative 3. So y is negative 3 and x is 1. I want to find the intercept c. So it becomes 1, no, negative 3, which is here. Negative 3 is equal to m, which I find to be negative 2, of x, which is 1, plus c. So negative 3 is equal to negative 2 plus c. So negative 3, this will come plus 2, is equal to c. Therefore, c is equal to what? Negative 1. So I will now come and put it back into this equation. Therefore, the equation will give me y is equal to m is negative 2x, and c is what? Negative 1 minus 1. Hence, this is the equation of the line. Thank you for watching.